What happens if you put your hand in a table saw? But since I don't want to use my real hand, I'm going to use this ballistic one that has bones and meat and is super realistic and should give us a good idea of what would actually happen. Now this table saw has a break in it that's supposed to stop the saw in 1/30th of a second if human skin touches it. We're going to see if that's actually true. So this hand is actually capacitive and works on phones, which means it should actually trigger this saw stop, but we'll see what happens. I don't think this is going to work. Watch out, Lily. If you want to see me stick a hand in a lawnmower, click here.